Hello everyone, back again. This time with the Reostat Transformer. Let me unplug this a little bit. It's a nice piece. It's about let's see, it's about 2 inches tall and about close to 3/4 inch thick. Diameter. It's very heavy. It's weight about 3 pounds. I don't have the disc because this has to be mounted in the back panel, and the disc, the dial disc, go in the front. But instead, I want to throw in this nice dial indicator. It's very precise, and the way you have to mount is this has a hex screws where when you put in the panel and then you put this against the panel and tied it, this thing not supposed to move. That way you have to tie it real good, and then it's a very short run. This is up to 14 turns, so this rheostat is gonna require about it's not gonna be even the 1, it's gonna get up to 8.5, but the division is by tens, so it's very accurate and a good thing. And then if whatever you like, you know, the speed or the motor or whatever you want to use for, reduce the speed or increase the speed, and then you locked it, and then this guy don't move at all. So let's plug in and see what this baby do. First of all, let me tell you one thing. The number 3 is this in the back. Don't get confused. The number 3, which is the negative, is this one on the back, not this one or this one. It's the one on the back. The source power going number 1 and number 2, but the positive, when you're gonna send a signal to your motor or any other device, going in the number 1, and then the negative going the number 3, what I told you, right on the back, in the center back. Because if you don't wire correctly, you're gonna make a shortcut. Short. So this is the time when I'm gonna plug in, and I have to hold this, trying to pretend that it's holding in place. And notice I want to turn the multimeter is the lowest, going to 1.0 is nothing. Okay, so let's start. Look, the potentiometer is increasing, but this guy is just moving 20. Let's see, we're starting 0 right here. So you can adjust, and whatever the reading you want, and then you locked it. Whatever you want. So, and then this going all the way, all the turn. Look the back. I'm sorry. Look in the back. See, it's all the trouble. So going back, so we start in 0 right here, and then we're going up to the 116, and it's close to the number 9, not even get a full one turn, but it's pretty accurate. If you like to use this one on mountain, you check with your with multimeter where is the position you want, and locked it. See? Let's do one more time. This is not moving. The reading of the multimeter is not the same as the reading of this. But if it's speed control, I use those for my Dremel tools, to control the speed on my Dremel tool. So the speed, the speed I like it, I don't need to measure. I just listen and see the revolutions where I feel comfortable. So anyway, because if I do the 10, it's 14 over there, 20 is 27, 30 is 40, 40 is 53, 50 is 66, 67, 8, almost 80, 70, 92, 80, 105, and 90, and 88, the 116, 115 volts AC. So the good thing about this is you can let me take that off, let me turn it off. Okay, the good thing about this, let me take this out off. I'm going to include the tiny key, because it's very hard to find this type of, but I wanna go ahead and include it also, the hex. And it's one on this side, it's got just one, yeah, just one, so I pull it out. Okay, this is metal, just the black part is plastic, but the rest is metal, and it's going up to 14 turns. This by itself cost good money, but the reason I do this is because I have to charge $12 for shipping, because this is heavy, and it's no other way to send it for cheapest like that. Included packaging and handling is included. So I said, well, I'm gonna give this. If I try to sell this one by itself, I probably charge $15 or so, and I want to sell the whole thing for $24 and $12 of shipping, including the Reostat, the power cord, the dial indicator, and it's locked, doesn't move, unlocked. So it's a nice feature, and the tiny key, hex key, for the when you finish your setup. This is very small, it's very nice, very practical, save space. You can make a nice box out of this one and do your nice rheostat for many applications. I usually most for my Dremel tools, where I put the Dremel spindle all the way up, and then I start this guy, and then I use the rheostat to control the speed. Anyway, but you can use for many other applications. So let me take this away. So this is a power cord right here. Take it out of here. Well, in the pictures I show you, but it's gonna be, this is Staco Energy Products Company, STACO Energy. And once again, the number 3 is the center, this one of the center. And you have to use the positive in the number 1, which is previously used for the source power. Okay, but it's a positive is in the 1 and negative is in the number 3. $24, $12 shipping. Unfortunately, is 3 pounds unpacked almost, or even more. I not remember, but I wanna wait and tell what exactly is unpacked. So thank you for watching, and I hope some. And actually, here to let you know the inputs. If you want to use on 120 and 132, 120 is 1 and 2. The input terminals is the one that I'm using, and here is telling you the output terminals is 1 and 3. This is an input of 120. The output is 2.5 amps, which is good. 0.33 kilovatios maximum. 0.33 kVA maximum. And output terminals is 1 and 3. The 1 and the 3. Remember, the 1 is going in this in the center, not either of those, because you create a short. So this is a 1 core. If I want to try to find a knob too. If I found a knob, I probably include it, and then you can use this guy for pot and take more advantage of this one. But anyway, I decided to throw this one into this because the cost of the shipping has to send by USPS medium flat rate box, and for the weight, unfortunately, that's gonna be priority mail. If I send this one, if I send parcel post, it's going to cost probably the same or even more, and gonna take 2 to 9 days. They say 2, but never guarantee. It's always 5 to 7 days in parcel post. So this is nothing. I use this to hold a multimeter. I'm sorry. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I take few pictures, and I hope the video describe the idea. Thank you.